Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can quickly create dimensions for the outline of objects. Let's examine the outline dimension feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and then the Dimension menu appears, with an option to click on Outline Dimension. Select an object, and then press Enter. Moving the mouse previews the dimension lines. To display dimensions on one side only, type I and then press Enter. Moving the mouse previews the dimensions in the direction corresponding to the cursor. To display dimensions on both sides, type D and then press Enter. The dimensions into directions are previewed according to the mouse cursor direction. To display the dimensions of the entire outline, type A and then press Enter. After completing the dimension settings, click at the desired location to place the dimension lines. The outline dimensions of the object are now complete. We have quickly created outline dimensions for objects using the utility feature in CADian CAD. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.